Welcome and thank you for joining me for this presentation on the possibilities of tomorrow. Today I'll be introducing a forward-thinking product that has the potential to revolutionize doctor-patient interactions. Please note that the information contained in this presentation is not working software and does not exist to the best of my understanding. It should be received and understood for educational purposes only. This presentation will focus on the following areas: Voice UI, AI personalization, emotional design, and the humanity-centered design. The enhancement of this product highlights the key technology that all medical professionals utilize today, the medical station. Medical station computers, also known as medical workstations or medical-grade computers, are specialized computers used in the healthcare setting such as hospitals, clinics, and nursing homes. Let's imagine the evolution of this workflow without the need for medical stations, with Smart Medical. We have Dr. Sarah, equipped with technology integrated into the glasses they wear, making their way to an exam room to treat a patient. The Smart Medical device is activated and ready to assist. The first objective is notifying the doctor of a patient. Here, Smart Medical will place a black and white filter over the environment with color UI to optimize direction and limit distraction, along with patient information for the doctor to review during travel. Upon arrival and entry into the exam room, Smart Medical will utilize facial recognition to confirm the patient details presented to the doctor are in fact correct. During the visit and initial examination, the smart device takes all the distracting work to allow a consistent doctor-patient interaction and acknowledgement. Smart Medical will recommend a list of tests that align with the patient's current issues. When a particular test is announced and accepted, this will trigger a behind-the-scenes action handled through the Smart Medical Cloud architecture by placing orders and sending details to the patient on the next steps of their visit. After completion of the prescribed tests, the doctor can screencast these results within a monitor within the exam room for both doctor-patient review. After review, SmartGlass will make recommendations of prescription drugs that complement the patient's medical history to treat the medical issue. Once the patient visit is resolved, Smart Medical will navigate the doctor toward the next patient, allowing the ability to capture any additional notes through its Voice UI until closure of the visit and continuing the day. This presentation shows how today's technology can be implemented to save time and enhance the human experience within the medical field. Thank you for joining me in creating tomorrow.